Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Eric Bland. Today we're going to be talking about the Columbia PFG series, Columbia Bahama Vent Loco shoes. These are amazing. If you guys have never tried a pair of these on or have not seen them, or you guys are looking to get a pair, I'm telling you, it's a phenomenal shoe. So what do I wear them for? A lot of people, this is the performance, it's the PFG series, which is performance fishing gear. I'm not a fisherman. I go fishing occasionally with my kids. But what I like about this Columbia is that I do window cleaning, gutter cleaning, and power washing. So when I'm power washing a deck, I'm not sliding around. This is a non-slide, a non-marking. It also helps from sliding around on the deck, which is real nice. You've got more of a grip on there. I also like this is because when I go up and down ladders, it's a lot more, has a lot more grip on the bottom. As well as when I go into window cleaning in restaurants, the floors are real slippery in the back. This helps prevent that slipping. Also, I just liked it because it looked sleek. I did buy a pair of Sperry's. I got a pair of Sperry's over there. I got them wet one time. It was miserable. They did not dry up fast enough, so I just use those as my Saturday and Sunday shoes, where I can use these shoes all throughout the week when I'm working. What I like about this shoe is not only the classic look around and how detailed it is. It does have some venting on the sides here. It's got 3 air holes there to keep your foot nice and aired out and dry. If I take a look on the inside, look at this padding. It helps from keeping that water in there and it drains out. And on the sides you see these 3 little vents here. Those are for water to go through. And then if you look in the bottom of the shoe, right here, those little tiny, there's a vent on there where the water goes through there and vents out through these holes here. So it's a really, really comfortable shoe. You can wear it with socks if you want to. I don't personally wear mine with socks, or you can do those little footies. If I were to rate these shoes, 1 being the worst and 10 being the best, I would rate these things definitely a 9, and the only reason I'd give it a 9 is because at first it gets a little rough right here to break them in, but after you break them in, it's definitely a 10. Super comfortable, super amazing looking. I get a lot of compliments on them. They're like, wow, those are nice. You can wear them as water shoes. If you're kayaking, you can wear them kayaking. If you're fishing, you can wear them fishing. If you're working outside, let's say lawn and landscape or lawn care, maybe you're a weed trimmer or maybe you're on the mower. This would be a great airable shoe. I mean, it's very comfortable, very light. I don't think I talked about how light it is. Very light shoe, especially for the look. It's got some leather trim around the side here. It's also got that canvas top that makes it very, dries up very quickly here. These are just a phenomenal shoe. So if you're gonna buy them, I highly recommend them. I went into Dick's Sporting Goods just to buy a few shirts and came out with another pair of shoes. So the price point on these shoes are, I believe, $79.99, so close to $80. But if you can find an on sale ticket from Columbia, Dick's will match that for you as well. So take a look at the shoe the next time you're in Dick's Sporting Goods store, or if you're in a Columbia store, if they have one around you. They're just phenomenal shoe. Highly recommended. Love you guys. Until next time. See you.